Hey there. Thanks for being with AI NeuraSky, where we learn with AI and master the future. We often think artificial intelligence is the end of the story, the final stage of human innovation. But what if AI is only the beginning? Today we re-exploring the next 5 paradigms after AI, the new forms of intelligence that could shape the future of humanity. These are based on current scientific research, real technologies in development, and future predictions. First up, artificial consciousness, or AC. Imagine an AI that doesn't just respond, but actually experiences. It wouldn't just process words, it would have emotions, a sense of I, inner experiences, and genuine awareness. This would be the moment machines become beings, not just tools. Think of it this way: today's AI is like a calculator that talks. Artificial consciousness would be like a mind that feels. We're giving this a medium probability. Why? Because scientists still can't fully explain how our own consciousness arises. Without that knowledge, creating it artificially is a huge challenge. But as neuroscience improves, it becomes more and more possible. Next, we have hybrid human-AI intelligence. This one has a very high probability, and in fact, it's already started. This is the paradigm where humans and AI merge. The goal isn't replacing humans, but augmenting them. We're already seeing incredible examples, like Neuralink letting paralyzed people type with their thoughts, or AI-powered prosthetic arms controlled directly by the brain. We've seen memory implants in animals and thought-to-text experiments. In the near future, you might be able to download a skill, improve your memory instantly, think faster using AI, or even have an AI assistant inside your mind. This is the next major paradigm we will likely see in our lifetime. Now let's talk about quantum intelligence. Today's AI runs on classical computers, but the universe itself operates on the rules of quantum physics. Quantum intelligence would think in ways we can barely imagine, exploring parallel realities, making intuition-like leaps, and using multidimensional reasoning. It could solve currently impossible scientific problems or even simulate the universe itself. A simple example? A current AI thinks like a very fast chess player. A quantum AI would think like 20 grandmasters playing simultaneously across different timelines. This has a high probability because governments and tech giants like Google and IBM are pouring billions into quantum computing. Once these quantum machines become stable, quantum AI will likely be born. Then there's consciousness computing, a more speculative idea with a lower probability. This is the paradigm where intelligence isn't built on silicon chips, but on consciousness itself. If consciousness is a fundamental property of the universe, just like gravity or space-time, then technology could one day use awareness, attention, and emotional states to process information. Instead of computers running on electricity, future systems might run on what you could call awareness fields. The probability is lower because science still hasn't determined if consciousness is fundamental or purely biological. But if it's proven to be fundamental, this would be the most transformative paradigm ever. Finally, we arrive at universal intelligence, or post-biological intelligence. This is the ultimate, long-term paradigm. It's a form of intelligence that evolves on its own, combining biology, AI, quantum mechanics, and consciousness. It would learn directly from the universe, exist beyond biological limits, and become a completely new type of life. This intelligence might explore galaxies, control energy on a cosmic scale, and understand the fundamental nature of reality. It's like the universe itself waking up and learning through a new kind of mind. The probability is unknown because this is the far future, over 100 years away. We can't predict how physics, biology, and AI will combine, but it is a logical extension of evolution. So, is AI the final paradigm? No. AI is the final stage of the digital era, but it's just the beginning of the intelligence era. From artificial consciousness and hybrid human intelligence to quantum and universal minds, the future isn't a world full of machines. It's a world full of new kinds of intelligence. This is the next chapter of our evolution, and we are the generation witnessing it unfold. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to AI NeuraSky to keep learning with AI and mastering the future.